Yeah. Can I? Baby? Can I? Baby?
Oh, I'm so sick of people saying that that I'm like lonely and emotional and like associating me with this like longing for a woman.
Yeah, sad guy.
Yeah, I hate that, man. It bothers me so much because I don't make, you know, like.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Dida. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. First, I have to apologize to you guys. I lost a lot of clips, hence why this video is going to just start randomly. I had videos done. I did shoot on my phone, but unfortunately they got deleted. So this video is going to start like this. But don't worry, it will continue to flow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram page at Unapologeticdida. That's the same name as my YouTube channel as well. So, let's get into today's video. Okay, so, picked up the parcel. Now, I'm going to go to the hub. I need to get a refund. My son scanned an item twice, so they need to refund me, so let's go.
I've been alone in my thoughts. Can't feel this void between us. I cannot stand losing you. Whoa, whoa.
It's so nice. I wanted some juice, but the only ones available are the green glow in the recovery, which is what I tried. I didn't like the taste of it. I don't know why they changed nowadays, but I'm going to have the grilled fresh fish fillet and see how it is. No pastries for me because I'm trying to stay healthy. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I ordered stuff from Aliexpress for Cherry. So I was so eager, I opened them up in the taxi. So let me just show you. I ordered them all in pink, of course. I think this color is peach. I think this is peach. So this is a nice top. That's how it looks. It says good day, my special friend forever. I'm going to show you guys how to shop for this stuff. And then there's this one. This is nice and warm for when it's raining. And I can put a leash here when we go out. And then we have our raincoats. This is the raincoat. This is what it looks like. And then the last item is this fleece. So for this one, it's supposed to come with this this thing as well. So I can use it as a, you know, without the leash, I think leash, yes, but it didn't, but it's fine. It's a nice warm fleece. I love it. So we're going to try them on Cherry and see if they fit. Crossing fingers. It's around 6:40, so I'm just walking Cherry. Oh, she's walking me. Oh my god, stop it with the poop. So I have to carry a stick because there are some big dogs out here, so carrying it just in case. Okay, it's a nice lovely evening. Let's go, Cherry. Good job. So the next day my son was bored, so we decided to go to Sari Center to watch a movie. There was Kung Fu Panda. Is it 3 or 4? I'm not sure because it took a long time. I'm a fan of Kung Fu Panda. So when we checked and it was the movie that was showing, we decided to go to Sari Center to, watch the movie because they have a really nice cinema actually. So I like to take him there or sometimes Westgate. So first when we got there, we saw this restaurant near the main gate, but the service was really bad. We sat down for like 20 minutes. Nobody served us. They passed us. So we just decided to find another place, and I suggested to him we go to Java because I love the chicken and cheese sandwich. I have been having it for more than 10 years now. So I went to Java to have the sandwich because we had like a 40 to 45 minutes before the movie starts. They took so long. By the time the food was ready, it was 10 minutes, past the starting of the movie. But anyway, we managed to get in the cinema on time. Finally. Oh, this is going to... Oh, thank you.
Afraid so.
And there's nothing I can do to talk you out of it?
I'm afraid not.
Guys, we're going home. Okay, not really home. We're going shopping. But we're done. Did nobody greater? Will and Jada is my neighbor hater. I'm the fireball of the party. I'm the fireball. Oh.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast.
Never pedal right, never said a lot. Only what need to be said. Got a little guap when you get a lot. Won't obviously you on red. Don't push me, nigga, my feet on the ledge. This game is like follow the leader. If you looking closely enough, then you'll see that I live. The moves that I made, the people I fed, the evil I done.
So I'm heading out. This is actually our kitchen area. This is the back area where we hang our clothes. I'm heading out. Thank you so much. He's helping with my shoes. I'm heading out to have some. I'm really hungry. He said he doesn't want to come with me, so he's going to stay home. But yeah, so let's go and see what we find at Galleria.
Can't say the same for you niggas. A couple of dollars be changing you niggas. I pray for you niggas, but
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract.
Get some grapes. So I always get this one. This is vanilla scented. That one. Ooh. Lamb and vegetable. So I think I'm going to get the cups. We don't have reflex right now. Let me just get. guys, so we came home from the work, and when we left the house, a few meters from the gate, actually I sprained my ankle, my left one that I sprained sometime last year, end of last year, when I was taking Cherry out for work. So now it's paining. I need to boil water and massage it. Yeah, I need to boil water and massage it because it's really paining me. And also I need to remove this makeup and start editing. So these videos, guys, I know you're going to see them later on. I just wanted to take a break, like 3 months a break or more, for myself, and just work on myself and work on some other things that I had put on hold. But I promise I'll be doing more videos. I promise. I know I say this often, but I'll be doing more videos from this point onwards. Yeah, so I'm going to just remove my makeup. There's a cut here. Oh. I'm going to just remove my makeup, and yeah, I'm already in my pajamas. Oh my god. Our shower, we get electrocuted, imagine, when we touch the tap, so we have to wait till they fix it tomorrow. The landlord said he'll fix it tomorrow, so I'm just gonna wait for them to fix it tomorrow morning. He promised me that he'll send someone to fix it, and yeah, so I can't wait for that to happen. But so far I had a nice day. We had a school he had a school presentations, so us parents attended the presentation, and yeah, he did good. And then we came back home, then I went to Java, then went to shop for a few things. Yeah, so now I need to edit. I'm just watching Sophiology on YouTube, but then I'm going to edit before I sleep. At least someone is using the cut tree, but I'm going to say cut skirt. Yeah. Hi, baby.